Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vritti. Today we will see 14th chapter Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Raja Krishnachandra was the king of Krishnanagar. Gopal was a courtier in his court. He was famous for his wit. Read this story to find out more. Wit means knowledge, intelligence. It was the season of Hilsa fish in Krishnanagar. Everyone spoke only about the fish. Raja Krishnachandra was tired of hearing his courtiers only talk about the fish. So this is the story about the Hilsa fish and the Gopal. Gopal is a very intelligent courtier in Krishnachandra's court. So it was the season of Hilsa fish. So everyone talks about Hilsa fish only. So Raja Krishnachandra was tired of hearing this. Idu story Gopal matte Hilsa fish ina story. Idu ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್ನ ಸೀಸನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಟಯರ್ಡ್, ಕೇಳಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಹಿ ಎಲ್ಡ್, ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್? ದ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಯರ್ were surprised and became silent. The king realized that he may have reacted too soon. So, actually one day what he said, he said angrily that, can you stop talking about that Hilsa fish? The full courtier were very surprised and they become very silent. ಸೊ ಒಂದಿನ ಕೇಳಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿ ಒಂದಿನ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಈ ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸೆಡ್, ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಲ್ಸಾಸ್ ಸೀಸನ್ and no one can stop anyone from talking about it. So I have a challenge. Can any one of you buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without being asked about it? So, actually, he gave one challenge to everyone that anyone can buy Hilsa fish without talking about it. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಮಾತಾಡದೆ ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜನ್ನು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಗೋಪಾಲ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫಿಶ್. ಐ accept ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಸೊ the other courtiers suggested Gopal's name and he told, okay, I can make people stop talking about that fish. So I accept this challenge. ಸೊ ಅವನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ತರುವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜನ್ನು ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. A few days later, Gopal shaved half his face, applied ash all over his body, and wore a pair of torn clothes. So what he did, after a few days later, Gopal shaved his face, half shaved, and applied ash all over his body, and wore a torn clothes. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವನ ಮುಖನ ಅರ್ಧ ಶೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬೂದಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹರಿದೋಗಿರೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆನ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. His wife was shocked to see him. She asked, "Where are you going like this?" He replied, "I am going to buy Hilsa fish." The poor woman thought, "Oh no, how silly of him to go out like that." She stopped him. She said, "I will buy the fish. You stay at home." But Gopal did not listen to her and went to the market. So his wife got shocked and she asked, "What is this and where are you going?" So he said, "I will purchase a Hilsa fish." So she said, "No, I will purchase. You stay at home only." But he didn't listen to his wife and he went to the market. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಏನಿದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಾನು ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವಳು ಬೇಡ, ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವನು ಅವಳ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಸೀದಾ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. When he went out, nobody recognized Gopal. Everybody laughed and said, "What a strange man." Gopal was not bothered by this. He bought the fish and walked to the palace. Nobody looked at or talked about the fish. They continued looking and talking about him. So, all are laughing at him, but he never bothered about it. He just go to the market and purchased the fish and directly walked to the palace. Here, no one looked at that fish. All are talking about him only. ಸೊ ಅವ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವನೇನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಸಹ ಯಾರು ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಗಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Look at that comical man. Who is he? When Gopal reached the palace, the guards did not let him enter. He started singing loudly and dancing wildly. He made a lot of noise which drew the attention of Raja Krishnachandra. He asked his guard, "Who is making so much noise? Send him in." So when he entered the palace, the guards did not let him enter. So he started singing loudly and making wild acting. So seeing this, Raja told them to leave. So ಅವನು ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವನೇ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಅವನ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಿರ್ಚ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಕೂಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ರಾಜ ಅವನನ್ನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. As Gopal entered the king's court, one of the courtiers recognized him and said, "Wait, this is Gopal." Everyone was stunned. The king asked, "Gopal, what is the meaning of this? Why are you dressed like this? Is this another joke?" So, when he entered the king's court, one person recognized him and everyone was stunned looking at him. So king asked, "What is this? Are you making any joke?" ಅವನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಅವನನ್ನು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ಪರಿಚಯ, "ಓ, ಇದು ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ" ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನಿದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಯುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜೆಸ್ಟಿ, do you remember the challenge? Today, I bought a Hilsa fish and walked all the way here. Nobody asked me about the fish. So, Gopal told, do you remember the challenge? He asked about the challenge and he said, today I purchased a Hilsa fish, but no one is talking about that fish. Everyone burst into laughter. Raja Krishnachandra remembered the challenge and said, well done, Gopal. You are a clever man indeed. Congratulations on winning the challenge. So then Raja remembered his challenge and he congratulated Gopal by winning this challenge. So ಅವನು ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ನಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಹಿಲ್ಸಾ ಫಿಶನ್ನು, ಬಟ್ ಯಾರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅವಾಗ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ರಾಜ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So this is the story about Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Thank you.